Hello, everybody, and welcome to this news broadcast. Today, we are going to be talking about how the traffic is going currently in New York. We know New York has a lot of traffic because it is a densely populated area.
The U.S. Navy has detected a missile threat to New York. A missile may impact on land or sea within minutes. This is not a drill. If you are indoors, stay indoors. If you are outdoors, seek immediate shelter in a building. Remain indoors well away from windows. If you are driving, pull safely to the side of the road and seek shelter in a building, or lay on the floor. We will announce when the threat has ended. This is not a drill. Take immediate action measures.
Welcome back to our broadcast. As you may have seen previously, an emergency alert system interrupted our broadcasting. We are terribly sorry for that, and for some reason, people have started protests against the government for broadcasting this incorrect emergency alert system. We strongly recommend you do not participate in those, okay? Because that is bad. Please, just don't participate in any protest or riot, as you may be arrested and even fined. So please do not do this. Until then, see you next time. Goodbye.